Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So children, today in this class we are going to learn about perimeter of a rectilinear figures beta. Okay, so let's start with that. So introduction first. Rectilinear figure. A plane figure bounded by line segment is called a rectilinear figure beta. Thus each one of the figures, a triangles, a quadrilaterals, a hexagon is a rectilinear figures. A circle is not a rectilinear figure beta. Okay, so what next? Perimeter of a rectilinear figure. The sum of all sides of a rectilinear figure is called its perimeter. So now see the example number 1 first. Find the perimeter of a triangle ABC in which AB हमारा given है 5 cm, BC 6 cm, CA हमारा 4 cm. So now we know the perimeter of ABCD. ABC like sum of all sides. So now 5, 6 and 4 कितने हो गए हमारे? Yes, 15 centimeter. So 15 centimeter is the perimeter of that particular triangle. Hope you understood. Now example number 2. Find the perimeter of a rectangle given here ABCD in which AB 8 centimeter, ABC 5. So solutions. For that we know the opposite sides of a rectangle क्या होती है हमारी? Yes, equal होती है. So therefore हम क्या करेंगे? AB plus BC plus CD और AD. So 8 plus 5 plus 8 plus 5 कितने हो गए हमारे? Yes, so 26 centimeter is the perimeter of the rectangle beta. Hope you understood. So हमारा ये है 26 centimeter. Note, perimeter of rectangle ABCD means AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. So इसका फॉर्मूला हमारा बन सकता है 2 into AB plus BC. ओके, क्योंकि 2 times हमारा ये रिपीट हो रहा है. So we just take it out 2 as a common and add it L plus B. That means length को breadth को हम add कर देंगे. Now multiply with 2. So that means perimeter of rectangle का फॉर्मूला हमारे मिल जाएगा 2 into L plus B beta. Okay. Hope you understood. So now see the example number 3. Find the perimeter of rectangle field whose length is 36 meter and breadth हमारा given है 45 meter. So here it is perimeter 2 into L plus B. So that means हम क्या करेंगे? Length 36 है, breadth 45 है. Add both the numbers and multiply with 2 and get 162 meter beta. Okay. So now see the example number 4 also. The perimeter of a rectangular park. एक पार्क है जो rectangular shape का है is 240 meter. Perimeter is given there and if it is length or length given है 30 meter. Now we need to find out its breadth. So for that things we just write it length plus breadth is equal to half into perimeter. So that means half into 240 120. So breadth means 120 में से 30 minus कर देंगे. We just get it breadth beta. Okay, so this is how we just find out that kind of sums. Now move on, texting time 10.1. Here it is given, find the perimeter of each of the following figures. So ये figure है हमारी, इसमें कितने given है हमें sides? 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter, then 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter, then 5 centimeter. So we know the formula of that one, sum of all side. So for this we just add all the number 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5. ओके, सो कितने हो गए हमारे 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. सो अब हम इसको ऐड करेंगे 6 और 4 10 5 15 15 20 एंड 23 सेंटीमीटर इज द आंसर ऑफ दैट वन बेटा. तो ये हमारा निकल गया पेरीमीटर. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड वेल. So this is how we have to just do the next one beta. So now next. Things to remember. A plane figure bounded by the line segment is called a rectilinear figure beta. The sum of the sides of a rectilinear figure is called its perimeter. Perimeter of a rectangle क्या given है हमें? Yes, इसका formula होता है 2 into L plus B and perimeter of a square क्या होता है? 4 into side of a square एंड साइड ऑफ अ स्क्वायर कैसे निकलता है, पेरीमीटर ऑफ द स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय 4 एंड लेंथ ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगल मीन्स हाफ इन इट्स पेरीमीटर minus its breadth, and breadth of a rectangle how to find out? Yes, half into its perimeter minus its breadth, length beta. Hope you understood all point very nicely. Okay, so with this we ended the chapter. You only do one thing, do practice and do rest of these exercises beta by your own.